Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a passphrase on Trezor. A passphrase is an advanced security feature that adds an extra layer of protection to your hardware wallet. Think of it as a secret word or phrase that, when combined with your recovery seed, generates a completely new and separate wallet. This means your funds are stored in a hidden location, distinct from your standard wallet, providing enhanced security for your digital assets. Using a passphrase significantly boosts your security. If your recovery seed, which is typically 12 to 24 words, were ever compromised, your funds would still be safe because the thief would also need your unique passphrase. It acts as a second factor of protection, guarding against physical attacks on your device or seed. You can also create an unlimited number of hidden wallets, each with a different passphrase, for various organizational or security needs. Setting up a passphrase is straightforward. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer and open the Trezor Suite application. Go to your device settings, locate the security options, and toggle on the passphrase feature. Once enabled, every time you connect your Trezor and enter your PIN, you will be prompted to input your passphrase. Entering a new passphrase will create a new, empty hidden wallet, ready for use. It is crucial to remember that your passphrase is never stored on your Trezor device itself. You must recall it or have it securely recorded. Always write down your passphrase on paper and store it in a safe location, completely separate from your recovery seed. Passphrases are case-sensitive, meaning hello is different from hello and can include spaces and special characters, up to 50 ASCII characters in length. Losing it means losing access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.